Reggae Facts. In recognition of their tremendous contribution to reggae music and their inestimable legacy, the University of the West Indies has conferred honorary doctorates on a number of Jamaican music stalwarts. The list includes Marcia Griffiths, OD, 2025, presented in 2026, Winston Meritone Blake, OD, 2024, Beres Hammond, OJ, 2023, Rita Marley, OD, 2015, Chris Blackwell, OJ, 2004, Ernie Ranglin, OD, 2002, and Jimmy Cliff, OD, 1997. We salute them all, as well as all the others who have received similar academic awards from local and international universities for their amazing contribution and their profound legacy that continues to redound to the perpetuation of the Jamaican music brand. Reggae Facts was brought to you with the kind support of the Jamaica Association of Composers, Authors and Publishers, JCAP, valuing your musical creativity.